All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so if you remember, I want to do the reharmonization in the key of C, and you guys asked that I should do in the key of F also. So, and it goes like this: na ra na ra na re kele na re kele. All right, so just try and listen to the keyboard. Don't listen to my voice. I can't sing to save myself. So if I have to sing to save myself, I have to call my wife. Yeah, she's the one that sings. So okay, so all right. So let's check this out. So normally you will have done Nara 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do a 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so then I did this tutorial and I was talking about reharmonizing, like you get. I'm sure most of you know what reharmonization means. That means changing the melody, changing the stuff, just changing the face of the music. So now we did something like this. Instead of doing that, we did 1. We now did 5, 1, which you will not normally do on a normal day. But you know there are some, I won't call them abnormal days. But of course, there are days you are just required to do more or do something extra or just do something different. So I mean, these are stuff you do on those days. So you learn ahead of time. Yeah, you don't learn on the, you learn before ahead of time. So we have so this is going to go, we are in the key of F. So this is 1, 5, 1, 4. Then we'll do something like, okay, so let me show you let me show you the chords. So I did a one chord. I'm in the key of F. So 5, the basic 5. That's your 4, 6, flatting 7, 9 on your 5. Then the altered B flat. Sorry, this is E flat major 7. The altered B flat 7. So we have your 4 comes to your 3 while you maintain the rest of the notes. That's on 1. So 5, 1, 4. You know that's a general circle of 4th movement. 4. Then you do, so now this is one of the G's. Then you do pa 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 pa. So let me show you the right hand first. So we have a 4. You do your melody from 4, 5 to flatting 6. So you do this movement, your 1 and your minor 6. So then to this flatting 7th and 5. Then to this flatting 6 and 4. Then to this. So so your left hand of course goes the bass like that. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So let's play together. It goes Nara 5, 1, 4. Then we do pa pa. So don't forget you start with 5, 4, 5. Then if you me, I'll do. I can do. I don't like this EP. Then 2, 5, 1. So try that in church and let me know what pastor says. God bless you. Click the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your friends. God bless you. Bye.